Hello! Welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I will continue about the stress relieving art, Kirigami. When life becomes too overwhelming, these simple hobbies can help you relax. Doing something you enjoy outside of work can be beneficial for your mental health. The castle, look at it. It can became very interesting photo and share to your friend through social media after you make it. What you need to do is just cuts and folds, and the design template I will prepare for you. What you need to do is just click the link and download. The download link just below the script. There is only 4 steps to make a kirigami. Step 1. Prepare the pen knife, ruler and cutting mat. Step 2. Download the template and print it out. Step 3. Cut the solid black outline. Step 4. Fold up the dotted lines. Okay, let's start now. Cut the solid black outline. Fold the dotted lines to make the paper easy to fold. You may use some solid metal ruler or behind the pen knife lid. Press the dotted lines to make it easy to fold. Done. This is a simple kirigami. Next video, I will try another type of simple kirigami to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to it. Your likes and sharing are encourage me to do more art learning videos for our community. Thank you. See you again.